Now I'm the Expedition Babashi, the Police Public Relations Officer, Ogun State Police Command. And here I am with Mr. Kowi Oleyede, age 25, who was arrested by the Atota Division of the Ogun State Police Command for creating and circulating a false TikTok video alleging that bandits had invaded Atota area. Upon gathering this information about the suspect, he was brought in for questioning, and the suspect confessed to creating this content solely to gain followers, traffic, and social media engagement. And preliminary findings showed that the publication was false, misleading, and capable of causing fear, panic, and disturbance of public peace. The matter, as you know, the matter in question is governed by the Cybercrime Act of 2015 and also the extant laws that cover Nigeria and Ogun State in specific. But before we go on, I will have to hear from the suspect to hear his own side of the story. Please, can you tell us what is your name, your full name, your occupation, and your age?
My name is Kowi Oleyede. Mo jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ìlú Ìbàràgùn ní Ogun State. Èèyàn ọmọ ọdún mi ni ọmọ 25 years.
You said he's 25 years old. I said, what's your occupation?
I understand. I understand.
Which work you they do?
Okay.
Which work you they do?
Fashion design.
Okay, it's a fashion designer. That means you are a tailor.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you the owner of that TikTok account that was created to post the content about the bandits' presence in Atlanta? Now you get that account, the TikTok account.
Yes, let me get.
What will be the name on top of the account?
Nice boy.
Nice boy.
Yes.
When did you create that account?
Create account yẹn fún iṣẹ́ mi gangan ni mo create ẹ̀ fún.
When?
January 2026.
He said he created the account for his work, but the account was created in January 2026. So where did you get that information that bandits were attacking Atlanta? Where you get that information? Where you post for that video? You get any information where they write where you post for the video?
Mi gbọ́ information láti ibi kankan. Mo tẹ fún mi ní ọjọ́ yẹn, mo ránṣọ lọ́wọ́ ní shop. Mi ránṣọ lọ́wọ́, mo wá tẹ fún mi. Tí mo yẹn tẹ fún mi, mo fi rí àwọn kíní sand pé àwọn kíní sand bandit yẹn. Tí mo lọ wọnú page yẹn, mo rí pé àwọn èèyàn ó ń lo sand yẹn. That is why tèmi náà tí mo fi lo sand yẹn náà, pé kémi náà lè fi gain followers, pé torí ibì kan náà ni àwọn pẹ́lá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, pé kémi náà àmì lè sọ díẹ̀ pọ́lọ́ lè ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Mo ní kí n ṣe mí mọ̀ pé kan tó máa padà affect mi.
Okay, that means there was no information about any bandit attack in Atlanta.
Yes, sir.
Then you were in your shop, according to what you said in Yoruba.
Yes.
That you just saw it on TikTok, that people are using that sound, that gunshot sound, to make videos and they are getting followers.
Yes, sir.
And you decided that let me try it too, using that sound.
Yes, sir.
To go and make a video. So after deciding, what did you now do? What did you go do for that bush? How you get to that bush? Explain that to make a hear.
Ọlá pé àwọn tí ó lo sand yẹn inú igbó làwọn náà ti ń ṣe, ìmíì ṣe nínú ilé, ìmíì ṣe nínú àwọn inú àdúgbò, àwọn míì ṣe nínú igbó. Èmi náà ìgbà tí mo wá rí àwọn kan tó yẹ pé inú igbó ló ti sábà ṣe jù, mo wá lọ sẹ́yìn ṣọ́ọ̀bù ọ̀dọ̀ mi yẹn, bush dẹ̀ wà ní ẹ̀yìn ṣọ́ọ̀bù ọ̀dọ̀ mi yẹn, mo wá lọ síbẹ̀ ibẹ̀ mo ti ṣe fídíò yẹn.
So he's trying to say that he got inspiration to use the sound from what people have used the video for on TikTok. So he saw some people using the bush to do their own, some people doing it in normal places. But he decided that since he has bush behind his shop, that he should use that bush to do his own video. So as you enter the bush, who followed you and who helped you make you do the video?
àbúrò mi bí àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n ń gbé ní tòsí ọ̀dọ̀ ìgbọ́n ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ń gbé. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n máa ń lọ travel wọn kọ́ṣẹ́ ìgbọ́n àwọn ọmọ yẹn máa stay sọ́dọ̀ mi tó bá ti dé láti ibi iṣẹ́. Ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ń sùn, mo kàn help wọn lé wọ́n kàn máa sùn ọ̀dọ̀ mi.
Okay, that means you are the one that took them to do the video for you.
Yes.
They don't know anything about it.
Yes.
So as they did the video for you, which of the videos are you talking about?
Ti bandit ti ìbọn wà ní.
Okay. They are the ones that helped you do that one. What of the one that you were with one man inside the video that you were kneeling down? What happened?
Ìyẹn ìgbà tí mo post ti bí tí mo post tí mo lo sound ẹ̀ ní TikTok yẹn tí mo ní mo rí sound yẹn tí mo post yẹn mo rí pé nígbà tí mo post ẹ̀ mo ní followers mo dẹ̀ ní like mo ní comment táwọn èèyàn béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé ó rí mo dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn pé kò rí lò pé èmi kàn fi ṣe content ni o. Ọjọ́ kejì ẹ̀ wọ́n á pé nígbà tí ìyẹn go viral.
Which day was the first one?
Monday.
So let me explain what you said to people. That when you finished doing that first video, that you saw that the sound, that gunshot sound, and the video that you were saying that they was bandit daughter, the thing went viral. So you had more inspiration to do another one.
Yes.
When people were not asking whether the video is true, you told them that it was content. You were just trying to fake everything.
Yes.
That's what you said. That's what.
Yes.
So the second video, explain how you did it.
Ìkejì yẹn ìgbà tí mo rí pé yẹn ó fún mi ní moral láti ṣe mo wá rí Fúlàní ó wá ń charge lọ́dọ̀ mi ó máa ń wá sí compound shop mi ó máa ń da màálù wá síbẹ̀. Ìgbà tí mo rí pé àwọn màálù yẹn tí wọ́n ń jẹun nínú compound yẹn mo kàn tún wá rò pé kí n tẹ̀ tú wò díà pé tí bá tún ṣe mi bí pé mo lọ jí kan nínú ọgbà Fúlàní yẹn bí pé ọgbà ẹni pé mo lọ jí kan bí pé ó fẹ́ mú mi pé nǹkan tún lò yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí mo wá bá Fúlàní yẹn sọ ó wá lóun ò lè ṣe. Ìgbà tó wá sọ pé òun ò lè ṣe voice ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti jáde tó sọ pé kí èmi díẹ̀ ti kúnlẹ̀ ó wá sọ fún mi pé kí ló ṣe eléyìí tó kúnlẹ̀ kí ìwọ kó dìde jọ pé kíní. Ìgbà tí mo wá rí tí ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ sáǹdì yẹn tó rà àbúrò mi ti wá ṣe fídíò yẹn lẹ̀ sáǹdì yẹn mo wá rí pé sáǹdì ohun tó lò yẹn ṣùgbọ́n kò wá òkè nígbà bíi pé kíní mo wá post ìgbà tí mo post mo rí pé sáǹdì yẹn ò dáa mo wá delete yẹn ló fi wá pa ẹ̀yọ̀kan yẹn lórí fóònù.
So what he said was that the next video he did, where there was a man that he was laying down in front of, that he was trying to persuade the man to join him in doing a video with his cows at the background. But the man said he's not part of anything and everything. So he was trying to beg the man, he knelt down. So the man was now asking, why are you kneeling down? Why are you kneeling down? As those actions were happening, his brother was still recording, and that is what made him to use that position and posture him and the other man were in to do a video again for a follow-up video, making it look like he was kidnapped. But he acted on his own to do that without the consent of the man. The man, he was thinking that he did not accept to be part of any video. That's what you said. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So next, after posting all this, did anybody sponsor you or motivate you to do this content? Before and after?
Ìgbà tí mo ṣe tán tí ẹlòmíì tí mo fi wọn èèyàn kan níbi side shop ọ̀dọ̀ mi ní pé àwọn nǹkan tí mo ṣe ni ẹni ẹ wò ẹni ẹ ó tẹ̀ ti ní followers gan pé ní pé tó wáyé pé àwọn nǹkan míì tí èèyàn máa post pé àwọn èèyàn ní follow ẹ̀rọ ní ṣe kíní kan pé ní pé tí mo ṣe yìí nígbà tó bá tún rí mi tó tún lè ẹnìyàn kọ̀ sọ pé bá rí pé tíyàn ṣe máa ń di tọ́nà ṣe máa ń gbìyàn dìde nìyẹn wọ́n tẹ́ni ẹ ṣe sọ fún mi èmi torí mi lè èmi tẹ̀ tó wò kó díá pé nǹkan tó dà mí mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó dà ní ẹnìyẹn náà kọ́ wò pé kíní yẹn kó sáré fún mi ní followers ó dẹ̀ fún mi ní like lòun náà kọ́ fi wò sọ pé tí bá tún try mi tó máa wà ókè délé lọ mo tún lè ní followers ju báyìí lọ kó tó di ọjọ́ yẹn gangan tí mo wá kúrò torí mo lọ ra òwú ni tí mo wá kúrò bí ọdún ẹni yẹn kò pẹ́ làwọn ọlọ́pàá dé lọ́wọ́ mú.
So he said, I asked him who motivated him before and after. So he said when he did the video, somebody saw him, your neighbor.
Yes.
His neighbor saw him as since you have done this kind of video and it is getting like you don't know, even God can help you from these things and you get more followers. And that is what he motivated him to want to do more. But he said he did not know that those things he was doing was wrong, creating panic. But also should note is that how many followers did you have before you did the video, and how many followers did you have after you did the videos?
Ìgbà tí mo ní 60 followers, but now mo ti ní almost 1k, mo ti ju 1k gan.
He said before he did that video, he had 60 followers. But after he did those videos, he had over 1,000 followers. And after having your 1,000 followers, what were your other intentions?
Inú mi dùn pé mo ní followers gan. Inú mi dùn pé mo ní followers. Tí inú mi dẹ̀ ṣe dùn, òun ló fún mi ní gut láti fẹ́ ṣe ìkejì yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n ìkejì yẹn ò dáa. Mo ṣe delete yẹn, mo wá fi fẹ́ ẹ̀kan yẹn lẹ̀. Ní like mi fi pọ̀ gan. Ní like mi ti wọ bí almost bí 8,000.
Like that second video?
The
first video?
Yes.
So what he said that when he did the first video and he was very happy that his followership was increasing, he was motivated to do the other one. He was happy, not knowing that his happiness is causing panic in Atlanta and the general environs of Ogun State. But do you know that people were panicking due to your video?
I don't know.
Nobody was asking you that there's problem in Atlanta because of
anybody will me. Anybody. Why cause off for me? I delete. Anybody saw for me. Anybody.
So that means you are causing panic happily, and you do not know the effect of your actions. Am I correct?
Yes. When saw for me, pé video yẹn ò dáa. Why mo when saw for me pé video yẹn dáa, I delete.
This is so afterwards, you found out that what you did was wrong. That following clouds and followership, you have caused some people high BP by what you did. Do you know that?
Yes.
So, thank you very much. This is a warning to content creators and actors, and to be very cautious in what we do, and also to not cause panic in the community, the society in general, because one action or inaction by a person can rub off on your community or the whole state. It's a caution. And further investigations reveal that the alleged video of reports of banditry and kidnapping that was done by Mr. Kowi Oleyede, age 25, were false and misleading, and he confessed to the false nature of these videos he did. And his confession states simply that he did it for followership, and he was doing it to be a content creator. He was copying some other people that are being content creators in their own niches. So it's a call to all of us to be very cautious in what we do. As content creators do they should do things within the ambit of the law and not cause panic, because they're trying to create clouds for themselves. And it's just worthy of note to inform the general public that Ogun State's command have acted credibly against kidnapping, as we don't have any victim in custody as we speak, as every kidnapper that collected ransom have been neutralized and the ransoms recovered, and every victim that was in custody has been released or rescued by the Ogun State Command under the leadership of CP Bode Ojajuni, PSC, FCSS, MNIPR. We thank the Inspector General of Police, Olatunji Rewon Disu, PSC Daga, NPM, for its technical support and all-round support in helping the command achieve its aim of protection of lives and property. Thank you very much.